you're a biker and you've not heard of the Top Mountain Motorcycle Museum, you've been on another planet, which is kind of ironic because actually the Timmelsjoch is a really rugged high alpine pass. The ride from Austria to Italy along the Timmelsjoch is glorious. It is like you are on Mars, especially when you see some of the structures. It's like an alien civilization has built them there. The tarmac is beautiful. There's a lovely array of tunnels, some lovely switchbacks and hairpin bends. At the foundation stone of this road has to be the toll booth area. It's €15 for a one-way transit or €21 return for a motorcycle. It's open from June till October-ish, depending on the weather. The Schreider brothers have extended on that original toll booth into the glorious Top Mountain Motorcycle Museum as it is now. 4,500 square meters of excellence. The Motorcycle Museum is so good. It opened in 2016. I went there in 2018 and I returned again in 2019. And then on January the 18th, 2020, fire rips through the main exhibition area of the museum. Over 300 motorcycles, some of the rarest motorcycles in the planet, are destroyed. The cause of the fire? Defective video screen in the exhibition area. Within 10 months, November the 18th, 2020, the museum is reopened. We just had to go back. We had the good fortune of meeting up with the tiller at the Motorcycle Museum. Enjoy.
See, it's knucklehead, always outcome. But they are new here, we just came in. We bought it in America, Las Vegas.
Did you go and get them?
Every year, end of January in Las Vegas. They sell 2,000 motorcycles, old ones. Medium option, mid-American option. The biggest seller. Big exit, that's the biggest option.
Yeah.
You've got some sort of breakers.
More than now the Stafford thing comes, you see. Sometimes about but it's so complicated now for importing because of the Brexit and so on. We went to India, we went all over the world, we went to the Sahara, to India, and around the world. It was all in the 20s.
And it runs.
It runs, yeah.
Brilliant.
We
Try doing it now.
Yeah.
We'll be able to do it now.
This is in running condition. Running condition.
Wow.
This is named to be the first car which surrounded the world. It's all original and it's in running condition.
Wow.
This bike, we just rode it this week. Yeah. It's in running condition.
That's amazing.
This is named to be the best example of an expedition.
Where will you ride?
A few kilometers because today, maybe you don't know, the journalist Alan Katka comes today and he wants to ride some bikes tomorrow. He wants to ride an Indian, a knucklehead, and a new Indian, and probably some British ones. But I don't know. He can choose tonight.
What a choice.
Okay, have fun. I'm around. I go for a small ride. And
Lovely.
if you have questions,
Super, thank you very much.
First gear is up and the rest are down there.
Look at the puddle of oil. When did you last? I said I've been here before. When did you come here? 2018. He said go upstairs. It's changed naturally because of the fire. Pre-fire, you had this huge polished wood of all these motorcycles, these beautiful machines all arranged in front of you. But when you turn the corner and look in it now, you've got that same bank of motorcycles, and as you cast your eye around, the whole place is magically extended even further than it was before.
Isn't that class?
Look at, oh, it has changed.
Wow.
Yeah, that's changed.
My goodness.
It used to be all the way around, didn't it?
Yeah. Look at it.
Here you can ride a motorcycle even you have never driven a motorcycle in the 4D cinema. That's really special. And for kids and for everybody, I tell you. Because we changed the museum into a motorcycle experience, and this is very important that everybody has fun to see the museum. And those people have nothing to do with a motorcycle. We really want to make advertisement for the motorcycles.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because we don't have only friends,
Yeah, sure.
But here, never ever said not one person said it's shit, it's nothing good. Everybody, when we came in here, went out very happy.
Yeah, they love
This
it.
is how it should be.
Yeah.
Very good. This is our aim to bring people to the motorcycle.
Yeah. But having been in here before, and then when you walk in, that took my breath away. That did. And we were kind of expecting it. Yeah.
Absolutely incredible.
The museum itself also contains a first-class restaurant. Merchandising is there if you want your baseball caps, your stickers, etc., etc., etc. Pint glass, whiskey glass, whatever. But the food itself, portions are pretty good. The museum today is even more breathtaking than it was pre-fire. And you get to see things like this. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. If you're in the area, you have to go.